right now,
Right.
we are probably winning Telangana.
Right.
We are certainly winning Madhya Pradesh. We are certainly winning Chhattisgarh.
Okay.
Rajasthan, we are very close, and we think we'll be able to win.
Okay.
So that's what it's looking like. And by the way, that's also what the BJP is internally saying.
Right.
We learned a very important lesson in Karnataka.
Okay.
And the lesson was that the BJP wins elections by distracting and not allowing us to construct our narrative. And so what we did in Karnataka, we fought the election in a way where the BJP could not. What you're seeing today, you know, this gentleman, Mr. Biduri, and then suddenly this Mr. Nishikant Dubey, this is all the BJP trying to distract from the idea of the caste census. They know that the caste census is a fundamental thing that the people of India want, and they don't want to have that discussion. So every time we bring a point on the table, they use this type of stuff to distract.